Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 2 geometric sculptures, a geometric heart, wall art idea, and a coaster. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this pyramid sculpture. You want to take a barbecue stick and cut 4 sticks off of that barbecue stick that measures to be 4 inches long, and then you want to cut 4 more sticks that measure to be 5 inches long. You can use wire cutters to cut the stick. Now you want to take the 4-inch sticks and a glue gun, and you want to glue the sticks into a square. For the pyramid part of the sculpture, you want to take 2 of the 5-inch sticks and glue one end of each stick to the corner and at an angle that is diagonal from each other. And then you want to glue the other ends of them together. Then repeat that again with the other 2 sticks to create a pyramid. Now you want to put some more glue on each end of the pyramid so it helps keep the sculpture together, and it will look like it's all one piece when it's all together. The last thing you have to do is to paint the sculpture. You can paint the sculpture with acrylic paint or spray paint. You can put anything you want inside of the pyramid sculpture, like a flower or a bowl. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this geometric heart wall art idea. For this DIY, you will need 2 or more colors of cardstock paper or scrapbook paper, a piece of white paper or another color for the background, scissors, a binder clip or a picture frame, a ruler, a pencil, and a glue stick. If you are only using 2 colors of paper like me, you want to cut 5 2-inch squares out of each color of paper you are using for the heart. If you are using more colors than me, then cut out as many squares that you will need, and you can trace the squares to make identical squares. Now you want to cut each of the squares diagonally in half to make triangles. Then you want to lay the triangles out to form a heart onto the piece of paper you are going to use as the background. I used a white piece of paper. Then you have to glue the triangles onto the paper with a glue stick. The last thing you have to do is to put the geometric heart into a picture frame or put a binder clip onto the paper to hang the picture up. The third DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this diamond-shaped sculpture. You can use barbecue sticks for this sculpture, or you can use lollipop sticks, like I did. You want to cut 5 sticks to 3 inches, 15 sticks to 2 inches, and 5 more sticks to 4 inches. Since the lollipop sticks that I have are slightly under 4 inches, mine will be a little bit shorter, but you can play around with the size of the diamond sculpture to make any size. You want to take the 5 3-inch sticks and glue them together to form a pentagon with a glue gun. Then you want to take 2 of the 4-inch sticks and glue each end into a corner of the pentagon at an angle. Then glue the other ends together. All you have to do is to repeat the same steps until you get a pyramid with a pentagon base. Now you want to take 2 of the 2-inch sticks and glue each end to the bottom of one of the triangles. And then you want to glue the other ends of the sticks to form a triangle. Then you want to glue another triangle next to that one. And now you want to glue a stick to the top of those 2 triangles so there will be another triangle between them and they will be connected. Now all you have to do is to follow the same steps for the rest of the 2-inch sticks the same way as the other triangles. After you glue all the sticks together, you want to add more glue into each corner of the sculpture to help keep it together. Then all you have to do is to paint the sculpture with acrylic paint or spray paint. If you want, you can put anything under the diamond, like a flower or a candle. For the last DIY, I will show you how to make this coaster. The first thing you want to do is to measure out a 4-inch square template out of paper. Then you want to roll out some polymer clay, and then you want to trace the template onto the clay, and trim the extra clay off with a knife used for clay. Then you want to bake the coaster by following the clay instructions. When the coaster has cooled down, you can paint anything that you want onto it. I decided to paint a white diagonal triangle onto it. When the paint has dried, you can put Mod Podge onto it to protect it. You might want to use your finger instead of a paintbrush because you'll probably see the brush strokes when the Mod Podge is dry. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!